So when a software is not working anymore, we simulate this by deleting its shortcut. Of course, Maria has no administrative rights, so we have to log in with an administrator account. So if a software is not working anymore, it can be repaired in the self-service portal. Using the workplace section, where you find all your workplace items, and you also have a search folder called My Services, where you find all the single service bookings. And here you can easily click on Repair, and then the software gets reinstalled automatically. Then we just have to wait until the software distribution kicks in and reinstalls the software and repairs it that way. And then we're done.